Hi, my name is Lokesh, and I would like to welcome you all in our today's classroom. We will be learning about environmental engineering. So, what we mean by environmental engineering is environmental engineers are trying to always work on the technology aspect or the management aspect, or you can the techno-commercial aspect, where they whatever the work they do, it is like for the betterment of the environment. So, in our first classroom, electrical and electronic engineering. Then in second classroom, we have understood something about mechanical and automobile engineering, and in third classroom we have understood something about civil engineering as a domain of engineering, and in our fourth classroom we have understood everything about you can say chemical and petroleum engineering. So in today's session, this is our fifth session on engineering as a domain, or engineering as a field, where we are trying to understand something about, or you can say overall description about environmental engineering. So what do you mean by environmental engineering? Environmental engineers evaluate, study, manage, determine detrimental effects of human activity on the environment. You can say they evaluate, study, manage the determinate effects of the human activity on the environment. Human activity impacts of the environment. They find solution for issues concerning pollution, public health. Their work primarily revolves around three areas. First is waste management and disposal. Waste management and disposal. The second is reclamation of degraded land, and the third is control of pollutants. They also study the impact of technology advancement on environment, with increase in focus on international and national bodies governing toward the environmental conservation. The future advantage of for environmental engineering are extremely bright, because every industry has to have some kind of look into their environmental impact, and they always try to work out on some of the betterment of the technology which reduce their environmental impact. So as an environmental engineering, you always have a better scope in coming future. Now we are going to understand the career scope in environmental engineering. So what are the overall career scope, or what are the various career scope in environmental engineering? First is agriculture engineering. An agriculture engineer makes farming sustainable, safe and environmental friendly. They analyze agriculture operations and weigh the use of new technology and methods to increase yield, improve land use and conserve resource like seed, water, filters, or you can say fertilizers, pesticide and the fuel. So the first is agriculture engineering. Then biologists study biotic form like plants and animals and the world they live in. It is good field for people interested in natural world and who enjoy practical science. Then chemical engineers work principally in the chemical industry to convert basic raw material into varieties of product. Okay, so you can say waste into the varieties of product. Analytical chemists use diverse range of method to investigate the chemical nature of substances. What you can say, they investigate diverse range of method to investigate chemical nature of substances. The aim of such work is to identify and understand the substances and how they behave in different conditions. Recycling plant. Environmental engineers develop technology to recycle waste material and ensure their proper utilization. Ecologists are concerned with ecosystem as a whole and abundance and the distribution of organism, people, plant and animal. What do you mean organism is people, plant and animal, and relationship between organism and their environment. So relationship between people, plant, animal, overall this organism with the environment. So that is called ecologist. Legal consultant. Environmental engineers often work as an advisor to legal firms dealing with issues and companies involved in environmental degradation. Conservationist is environmental engineers work towards innovative process related to conservation of air, soil and water. They work with government bodies, NGOs as well as multinational engaged in these activities. So the career scope, we have understood a lot of points, a lot of career scope in environmental engineering. First is agriculture engineering, the second is biologist, third is chemical engineer, fourth is analytical chemist, recycling plant specialist as an environmental engineering, then ecologist, then legal consultant, and then conservation in the field of environmental engineer. We'll be understanding something about, we'll be going to some of the important points in environmental engineering creation program for as environmental engineering. It's like most of the college have eligibility criteria, minimum 50%. Aggregate marks in class 12 is some of the college are want you to have a minimum 60% in your 12th standard. Must have passed 12th senior secondary examination with at least 50% mark including English. Some exam require JEE exam, joint examination score and minimal eligibility. Some college and university also have an age limit. With the list of all top engineering colleges which provide degree in environmental engineering in India, these are the top engineering colleges. First is Indian Institute of Technology, multiple location. Birla Institute of Technology, Pilani and Mains. National Institute of Technology, Calicut. National Institute of Technology, Silchar. National Institute of Technology, Suratkar. National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai. Indian School of Science, School of Mines, Dhanbad. Gautam Budh Technical University, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. BP Government College, New Delhi. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Cochin University of Science and Technology, Kochi. Guru Govind Singh Indraprasth University, New Delhi. Jagannath University, Jaipur. Manipal University, Manipal, Jaipur. Pondicherry University School of Engineering and Technology, Puducherry. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, that is Coimbatore. And Vishwesvaraya Institute of Technology, that is in Karnataka. So now we are going through the overview of top engineering engineering colleges in the world which provides you a degree in environmental engineering. These are University of Manchester, United Kingdom; University of Bristol in United Kingdom; Cornell University, US; University of College of London, Imperial College of London; Massachusetts Institute of Technology; Stanford University; Harvard University; National University of Singapore; California Institute of Technology; University of Michigan; University of Toronto; and University of Queensland, that is in Australia. Some of the entrance exam in India for getting into the good or reputed colleges for getting a degree in environmental engineering. First is joint entrance examination, that is JEE. These are the two type of examination, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So JEE Mains takes place in month of April, and JEE Advanced takes place in month of May and June. Then we have a Birla Institute of Technology and Technology and Science Admission website, that is in month of May. Education Promotion Society of India National Admission Test ENAT, that is in month of April and May. Vellore Institute of Technology Engineering Entrance Exam, that is in month of April. University of Delhi Combined Entrance Exam, that is DUCET, that is in month of June. Medical Engineering and Dental Colleges of Engineering, Karnataka, May. Admission test for ICFA Science and Technology, that is in month of May. Combined written test admission test for May and June. Then SRM University Engineering and Examination, that is in month of April. Manipal University Online Entrance Examination between March and April. Indraprasth University Common Entrance Examination, that is in May. Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Examination, that is in month of June. And these are the entrance examination for getting into the undergraduate program or getting degree in environmental engineering. And if you are really interested to get it more into this field of engineering, then you have to go for a post graduation, that is called PG. And for PG you have to give an entrance exam to get into good college. And these are entrance examination. The name of entrance examination is GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, and that takes place in month of Jan and Feb. So now we'll be going through with some of the work description when you are working as an environmental engineer. So these are the points. Supervise the design of system, process, equipment for control, management and remediation of water, air and soil quality. So it's like supervising the overall process and equipment for control and management of water, air and soil quality. Collaborate with environmental scientists, planner, hazardous waste technician, engineers and other specialists to address environmental problems. Provide technical support for environmental remedies of projects, or you can say environmental solution for the projects, including solution for system designing or determination of regulatory applicability. Regulatory applicability means like there are some norms and terms and conditions when you are working with some environment projects. So prepare hazardous waste manifest and land disposal restriction notifications. Assess the existing or potential environmental impact of project on air, water or land. Prepare, maintain and revise quality assurance documentation or procedures. Assist in budgeting, implementation, forecasting and administration. Then provide environmental engineering assistance in network analysis, regulatory analysis and planning of reviewing the database development. Reviewing the database development is like what are the database available for that particular environmental projects, and how we can revive it and make it more sophisticated and in line with the current standards. So these are some of the work description when you have to keep in your mind when you are working as an environmental engineer. So finally, we are going to talk about something about advantages and disadvantages of a career in environmental engineering. So advantages are can work in number of settings, no need to be restricted to office. Most work to be done in the team, which is less burdening. satisfaction of helping the environment. These are three major advantages of working as an environmental engineering. So now we are talking about the disadvantages. The disadvantages are having to deal with deadlines can be stressful, working in pollutants or hazardous environment much of the time, salary will only increase with the experience and the hard work. So these are the disadvantages of working as an environmental engineer. So what we have learned today is we have understood everything about the environmental engineering. We have gone through the basics of environmental engineering, understood the basic definition of environmental engineer. Then we have gone through the career scope, varieties of career scope in environmental environmental engineering. Then we have gone through the important point. Then we have gone through with the important or the top colleges of a country which provides you degree in environmental engineering. And then we have gone through with the list of the engineering college and world which provides you degree in environmental engineering. Then we have understood something about the entrance exam. Once you clear your 12th standard, you have to have gone through the entrance exam to get into the good reputed college for a degree. Then we have gone through with the entrance exam for your post graduation. After graduation, you go to the post graduation. Then we have gone through with some of the pointers, or you can say work description, where you need to work when you are going to work as an environmental engineer. What all the work you need to do, we have understood in that these all points. Then finally we have gone through with some of the points where you may find the advantages and disadvantages of working as an environmental engineer and making up the career in that particular field. So thank you so much for your time. So today we have understood about environmental engineering. So stay tuned with us. We are going to understand a lot of domain of engineering which will help you out to understand the basic or the deep requirement or you can say idea of making up your career in which domain of engineering which strikes your interest and your curiosity to learn more in that particular field of engineering.